Welcome back. We have already mentioned that in HTML, links are specified with an A element. Links are used to make references to external resources, link pages together, or even link parts of the content on a single page. Let's create, for example, one more unordered list with several links. Links use href attribute that stands for hypertext reference. This is the location of the resource being referred to. So this link refers to my Facebook profile and this to my YouTube channel, for example. To specify whether the browser should open the link in the same window or in a new window, use target attribute. It has 4 values. Self is the default value. It tells the browser to load the resource at the current page. Blank will load the resource in a new window. Parent will load the resource into the parent of the current context. It means that if you are viewing data in a frame, the browser will load the resources in the frame's parent window. Top is similar to parent, but will find the ancestor of all contexts or the very first parent. These links redirect to the external resources. But what if we need to redirect our user to some content further down the page? First of all, we need to use IDs. It is an attribute that is used to specify the unique ID for an HTML element. For example, to target this unordered list specifically, we can use ID nav. And for this unordered list, we can use another ID like footer. But note, IDs are unique. Each element can have only one ID and each page can have only one element with that ID. But what if you need to group elements together to give them, for example, the same format and style? For this purpose, you should use class attribute. Classes are not unique, and you can use the same class on multiple elements and you can use multiple classes on the same element. For example, we can give the same class to our lists. We'll use classes later when we will apply styles to our page. But for now, we need just this ID attribute to link to the footer of the page. Use hashtag and the ID name as the href value. Let's add here some line breaks and let's look here to see what happens when we click this link at the top. Clicking the link, the browser will scroll the window down to our footer. Now we can create our navigation and links to the appropriate sections. And you can use footer for some external links to your public profiles and resources. You can try to do it now, and I'll see you in the next lecture. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.